Welcome to the video, and if anybody needs my email, PayPal, or my address to send things in, you can just go to my YouTube homepage and go to the About section. I also want to take the time to thank Brian Quilty for sending in these Zippos for this video. It was very nice of him. If everyone can go head over, give him a like and a subscribe, be greatly appreciated. And if you could like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Everything you do on this channel does help, and it is greatly appreciated. And if you want to help my channel even out a little more, you can go head over to my Patreon. Link will be in the description. You can try to get yourself a mug or a sticker, and anything else you donate does help the channel too. Hey everybody, how you doing? I got a package in the mail today from Brian Quilty. If everyone wants to shout him out and give him some thanks in the comments. He donated these Zippos to the channel. I don't know what's in here. I don't know what I got. We're going to check it out. There's some personal information of his on the box. So I'm going to cut this open off camera, but you can see it's completely sealed up. I've never opened it. I'm gonna cut her up. Okay, good. So the entire box was wrapped up, and there's no personal information on the front. So let's see what we got. Nice wrapping, lots of bubble paper. Ooh. Okay, so it's a lot of bubble wrapping. And salt pack, not salt, that little styrofoam thing, peanuts or whatever they're called. Which is pretty sweet, because I'll be reusing that when I gotta send some stuff out. Let's see here. A lot of layers. A shop towel too, I could tell. Oh, 3 items. 3 items. So let's get these paper towels out of the way and in the garbage. All right. Okay, so this feels like an insert, so we'll open this. He gave me an experimental insert to screw around with. Yeah, it sure did. All right, let's see what it's out of. Oh, look at this. It's not even a Zippo insert, and it's brand new. Huh! Look at that. It's got cotton over the, or felt or whatever that is. Look at that thin layer of felt that's on here. I've never seen an insert like this. Oh, cool experimental insert, man. That's sick. I can salvage parts from it. I can plate this. I can do whatever I want. I'll probably plate it. We'll see how it fits in a Zippo after. So we'll just move on along to the next piece here and see what else Brian sent us. I don't know what this is. We'll find out together, folks. Oh, look at that. Okay, so what's happening here? Alright everybody, I just want to take a quick second to show you what was actually wrong with this Zippo. Why it wasn't closing was this piece right here. This piece right here that's for the insert was actually bent out a bit. So when it's bent out a bit, what happens is it's bent out, it won't be able to force the cam all the way shut, and it was just stopping it right there. There was nothing wrong with the insert. It was just that piece is bent out. All I had to do was push it back in a little bit, and that was the result. Oops, I didn't I didn't put the thing down. Yeah, there we go. Works fine, see? So it was an easy fix. I just wanted to show you guys that, so I added it into the video. All right, back to so let's see what we got. It is a oh, this is like a collectible. United Nations X1VJ, and this is KXV1. So the insert is definitely different. And let's see what else Brian sent us. This is oh, what's this? Not a Zippo. It's not a Zippo. It appears to be copper plated. Or is that solid copper? What is that down here? Oh, is that just dirt? Oh, this is solid copper. That's just green. Look, that's just green corrosion or whatever. Oh man, cool. Solid copper. Actually works. And it's got a real Zippo insert in it. I can't see the year or when it's from. Looks like it's worn. Oh, this has got a Niagara Falls. This has got a Niagara Falls insert in there. Niagara Falls, Ontario. Oh, sweet, man. An extra Niagara Falls insert. It appears to be 1000s. Or 90s or something. Or no, it wouldn't be. It doesn't have any dates on it. It would have a date on it if it did. Sorry, I thought the dates were just... Let me get a close look at this. I don't know if the dates are rubbed off. Okay, cool, guys. What we have here is an 80s Niagara Falls insert. That's cool because it doesn't have any dates on it. So, and you could tell by the felt too. The felt and the cotton's a dead giveaway. The cam, wide flint spring. I mean, a cam spring, I meant to say. Oh, yeah, sparker in there too. Huh, a Niagara Falls insert in there. This is definitely a solid copper piece. It's just not a Zippo or anything, but doesn't matter to me, and that's pretty cool. That'll be a fun project, man. I'm gonna clean this up and buff it up. I always wanted a high polished copper. It's already almost there. Huh, that's pretty neat. I'm pretty impressed with that. And to get an extra Niagara Falls insert too. Wow, man. What a lucky day. So everyone, if you could go see Brian Quilty on his YouTube channel. He doesn't have any videos, but he's got like 80 some subs. And he'll probably comment on this video. So if everyone could show him some love in the comment section, I'm gonna be working on these. I don't know what I'm really gonna do. I'm gonna look more into this one, find out what it is. I'm gonna obviously keep this Niagara Falls insert as a spare. It's always good to have another 80s insert. I do have a couple more. It's nice to have them from every era. And that's it. And I'm going to play with this and fix it up too. So thanks everyone for being here. Thanks for taking part. I'll see you in the next one. And